In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see all of someone's reposts on TikTok. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. So, the first step to see if we can check someone else's reposts on TikTok is to update the app to the latest version. Afterwards, let's open it up. As you can see, if we go into our profile or we go into someone else's profile, you have some options related to the content they post. You can see videos they posted themselves, and you can also go into the Like Videos tab if it's public to see which videos they liked. However, you might notice that nowhere to be seen is a tab to see someone else's reposts. Even if we go back to our profile, the tabs we have do not allow us to see reposted videos. We can only see bookmarked videos and liked videos. This is because, as of 2022, in the latest version of TikTok, the app does not allow you to see anyone's reposts on TikTok. This is only a thing you can do yourself, and you have to remember which videos you're reposted, because you cannot find a way to see which videos have been reposted by you or other people. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that there is no way to check someone else's reposts on TikTok. If this video helped to clear up any questions, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.